to Vanandol. Today I am going to speak a few words about Mahatma Gandhi, father of our nation. He was born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar in Gujarat. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. His father's name was Karamchand Gandhi and his mother's name was Putali Bai. Mahatma Gandhi is also known as Bapu or father of our nation. He was a great leader, great writer and an able statesman. He was a man with remarkable political and spiritual power. Under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi, India struggled for freedom. During school time, he was an average student, but he was strict to be very honest. The religious education which he acquired from home contributed a lot in making him as a honest man. It was during in the state of South Africa, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi developed himself as the leader of masses. He fought for the downtrodden Indians against the racial supremacy of English people. Gandhiji formed freedom struggle movement based on ahimsa, truth, satyagraha and non-violence. He electrified the world of 1930 by walking 388 kilometers from Ahmedabad to Dundee to defy British tax on salt. There are Gandhians who made history such as Nelson Mandela and Martin Luther King. Mahatma Gandhi had a great vision to protect our environment. The beauty of Gandhiji's values lies in simplicity and timelessness. Gandhiji believed that there is no religion higher than truth. By the words of Gandhiji says that my life is my message. We can move forward in the way shown by Gandhiji and able to make such a good country. Let me conclude my word by wishing you all happy Independence Day. Thank you. Have a nice day. Jai Hind.